Hello guys, welcome again. Welcome to Tech Class channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to participate on Starknet ID Odyssey. So the reason why I start by entering their Twitter is because first we need to follow their Twitter. After we follow their Twitter, then we can now follow their Discord, which is this. Can now follow their Discord, and then you can now proceed with the main tasks. As you all know, Starknet network is very lagging and slow, so this particular task will actually take our time. It will actually take our time because I think each transaction take around 1 hour before it complete, so it's going to take our time before we finish this tutorial. And the reason for this test is that we wanted to actually increase our chances of getting Starknet test airdrop. In case if they are doing any airdrop, they maybe consider us also also for the Starknet ID. So now guys, let's start. After I follow them, I will just click on this Discord. When I click on this Discord link, which I already circled, so now I will just select my Discord. So you need to wait for it to show up. Yeah, here it is. Now click on accept invite. When you click on accept invite, you just need to wait for it to show. Yeah, now that we have finally entered the Discord, I think the first thing is to start by verifying. Yeah, you can start by verifying now. So here is what we are going to do. The captcha is to which of the 9 image is upright. Click on the button corresponding to the number of the. So I'm going to do this now. Which of the 9 is upright? Upright. Let me check for it. So I think it's number 8. Number 8. Then they are going to send another one. Which one is upright here? So I think it's number 7 here, because as you can see the image, that's the only image that is upright without any kind of so it's number 7 here. So you have, as you can see, I have finally finished with this recaptcha, with this captcha. Then that means I will have some access to other channels. So now that you have finally verify yourself, now we are going to start with the main tasks. So the reason why we enter this Discord is because after we have finally finished with the Odyssey use, we are going to claim a Discord role. So that is very important. Now let's enter our browser. Then you are going to paste this link. I will leave the link in the description of this video, and also the Discord link I will also leave it there. So now when you enter this, let me just click this. Let me enter the main website. So now that I just put this use.starknet.id, so here it is. We are going to start with the GUIST. So I think I will just change this to desktop view to see everything very clear. So after that, then I can now click on this place. This I think I will just click on this GUIST. When I click on this GUIST, here is some kind of welcome to just okay. Then now as you all know that to do anything with Starknet, we have to download the extension. So we are using Agent X as usual. So we are using Agent X for this tutorial. So click on connect. When you click on connect, as far you have Agent X in your wallet, you just need to maybe enter it, or it will pop up to you to sign the transaction that will allow you to connect your that website with the wallet. So now I will just let this one open. I will just put my password and then see whether they have sent the pop-up transaction with that I need to approve the sign in. So I'll just need it little time. I'll just give it a little time now for the wallet to open. So here it is. I finally unlocked my wallet. So if you are new to this channel and you wanted to know how to you wanted to know how to you wanted to know how to download this Agent X wallet, I will recommend you to watch our previous video on Dolphin testnet. You see how to download the wallet and also how to request for faucet. As you all know that for you to participate for any kind of testnet, you need a test token that you need for the testing. So now I will just click on this upgrade, then approve this transaction that I wanted to. So now I will just approve. So after I approve this, I will just go back to the website, and I know that my website will be connected successfully maybe. So this is serious. Let me just click on connect again and see whether it will pop up. Let me click on connect now. Yes, then approve this. After that, just need to check my website. Now that I have finally connected to my wallet, as you can see that connect wallet button already disappear. So I have to start from this place now to this. Now it will take me a lot of time, to maybe 1 to 2 days. You just need to have you just need to wait patient for every kind of transaction to complete, and then you're going I think it will take you maybe 1 to 2 days actually, depending on how consistent you are. Maybe if you are the kind of that, if you are kind of like checking it after every hours, you may finish it today or maybe tomorrow. So now that the wallet is finally connected, let me check my wallet now. I want to check something, understand. So as you can see on top the slow where the net as you can see the low network speed, that means there will be a low network speed. Wow. So you actually need to wait patient for this. So now let me click on this, and here you can see your ongoing transaction and other you see the pending transactions here. So you have to wait. You can actually wait for this to finish before you start the tax, to make everything very simple and straightforward. Because if you merge a lot of transactions, it may fail your own main transaction. So but let me show you how to start. Let us start with the first one now. I think it should not give us problem since it is only 1 to 2 transactions there. So now I'll just click on this place, this first NFT. After I click on it, you see a start button here. You see a start button here. Click on start. When you click on start, now you need to approve this transaction in your wallet. Let us go to our wallet. You need to approve this transaction now. As you see the transaction sign, then now click on approve. So when you click on approve here, for this you actually need to wait for 1 hour before this NFT will be minted, this first NFT. As you can see, the transaction is now ongoing, so you just need to go and come back, and then maybe everything will be done by that time. So just let me just I'll just post this video maybe after 1 hour or 2 hours. I will come back to see whether everything is done now. So see you guys. So here we are in the next tax. So let me just zoom it small. So in this tax, we are going to click on that quiz and then participate on some of the quiz there. I think there is some question that we need to answer. So I have the answer with me, so you don't have problem with that. So click on start now. Here's the first question. So I will just mute this place and then answer the question for you. So in a place where we choose a wrong answer, we have to wait for at least maybe 30 seconds for some count to finish, then we can now proceed. So for this one, I'll just click the answer, which is B, and then continue. Also for this one, you click on the A and the first answer and the last answer, which is the number 1 and number 3. So just like that, you are good to go. So let me just answer the questions, and we are good to go.
So as you can see, here's what I'm talking about. You can see we make a wrong decision. That means we cannot proceed with the next one until this count finish. So I have mistakenly clicked on a wrong answer on a wrong place to show you how that works. So now we can now proceed. Let me zoom it and then click the right answer so that I will not mistake again. Then click on check. The answer is no. So now that we have finally finished with the quiz, so I just need to click on that validate button. When you click on that validate button, then you have to open your AlienX wallet to approve this transaction. Like validating is like way of submitting your final quiz. So when you approve this now, just click on the approve button. When you click on the approve now, just need to wait for the transaction to finish. As you all know, it takes time, so you just need to take some break and then come back and continue with your tasks. So now I think I'll just post this video for some little amount.
So now here you go. Let's continue. So now after you have after the transaction is done, you can see that the two those two have already changed to green. So now we are going to proceed with the identity. If you click on it, then click on that start now. So now that you click on that start, then you can now click on this one that I will circle now. So if you click on it, it will direct you to a new page where you need to connect your wallet and then mint a Starknet ID. So now wait for it. Then now click on that navigation button and then you can now connect with your Starknet. Click on that connect. When you click on it, now check your Agent X wallet and then connect this action. So when after you have connected it successfully, you can see the address there. Then now you can now click on that cross eye and then go back to the so now the next thing is to click on this plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, you just need to go and approve your transaction now. After you approve the transaction now, then you can now go and rest and then come back after like 20 to 30 minutes. Hopefully it will be done. So as you can see, it is loading right now. As you can see, the what they write there is patience is a virtue, especially when it comes into Ethereum 2.0. So now guys, we just need to wait, and then after that we will continue with this video. So now that I have finally create my minted my ID, so I can now click on this verify your Discord. If you click on verify your Discord, then wait for it. So now here is my ID. As you can see, here's the Starknet ID for now. Then you can now click on any of these to verify your ID here. Let me show you. You can click on this one and this one and this one. So we are going to only do this two, the Twitter and the Discord. So let us start with the first one, the Discord. If I click on the Discord now, it will direct me to Twitter API where I need to authorize this action. So you just need to wait for it, and then you are good to go. So now just click on this authorize. When you click on this authorize, if you are doing this for the first time, you have to log into your Discord account. So make sure you put the right Discord. So now that we are finally done with that, you can now click on this verify my Discord. When you click on this verify my Discord, you need to open your wallet again and then approve this transaction. So when you approve this transaction, then we are going to wait for another 30 to 1 hour time to continue with it. So guys, I'm posting this video for now. See you later. So now that we have finally verified our Discord, as I can see the transaction already successfully. So you can now click on this place and then maybe click on this ID. Sorry, click on, yeah, after you click on that identity, then you can now click on this the first emoji. So now, as you can see, let me show you something. You can see a blue tag, a green tag here, showing that we have finally verified our Discord. Then the next thing is to verify our Twitter. Then we can now proceed with the next step. So now just click on the Twitter icon here. When you click on the Twitter icon here, after you click on it, then wait for it to show you to authorize this action. So just some little seconds. So now I will just click on this authorize this app. When you click on authorize this app, it will now take you back to the website, and then you need to click on this verify my Twitter. As usual, just the same process with the Discord. So just click on this verify my Twitter. After you click on verify my Twitter, you just need to open your wallet again and then approve this. So in case if your wallet is unlocked, you have to click on this place and then open it again to unlock it, then approve this transaction. Since we are going to wait for each hour for we are going to spend each 1 hour for each of the transaction. So I will just click on, now I will just click on this approve. After I click on this approve, then I'm going to wait for the transaction to finish, maybe after 20, 30, almost to 1 hour, depending on how slow the network is. If the network is very very slow at the current time, so we are going to experience around 1 hour delay. So now I'll just post this video, and then and see, now we have finally verified the Twitter also. So now that we have verified our Twitter, we can now close this page and then go back to our used Odyssey used page. So here it is. Let's wait for it to open. So here it is. We are on identity. So now just click on it. Now when you click on that identity again, then click on that start. When you click on that start, so now the next thing to do is to click on this select. When you click on this select, then now enter your wallet and then approve this. So after you approve it, then now you have to wait for it. After it finish after the transaction is complete, you can now click on. So let me pause this video for now. As you can see, we have finally finished with the third tax. So the next tax is we need to click on this Twitter icon. After you click on it, I'm clicking this place, this messaging icon. When you click on it and then click on this start. So now that you click on this start, you can just click on OK. When you click on OK, you can now click on validate. So when you click on validate, approve this transaction with your wallet. So I think we are going to wait for transaction to pop up. So now just click on approve. When you click on approve, just go back to the website and then wait for everything to be done. It will take a minimum of maybe 30 minutes. That the this one is complete, I will just click on done, and then after that I will click on this follow. So I have already followed their channel, so I will just click on it now. When I click on it now, I will click on start. When I click on start, I will just please I've already followed their their account. That is why I start with the follow and then joining their Discord. So I will just click on OK, then click on validate. So when I click on validate now, I will need to approve this transaction as usual. When I approve it, I will just wait for everything to be done here. So I will just post this video and then wait for it to be done.
So now I will just after some minutes it will finally done. I'll just click on done. Then the next task now is to click on that domain. When you click on this domain, we have to create a domain now. So now we click on start. When you click on start, then now we are going to create on domain. So you are going to click on that starkid.net. Then when you click on it, that Starknet ID, it will take you to a place where you need to buy a domain. So for this, I will just need to type the domain name I wanted to buy. So let us try this. So after I type tech class, I will just click on the side on the searching tool, searching icon, and then since there is available name, as you can see available, that means I can buy this one. So if the name is not available, it will show you a sign. So I'll just click on it now. When I click on it now, I'll just click on register. I'll just click without editing anything here, just click on register. When you click on register now, check your wallet whether you have any upcoming transaction to approve. As you can see here, this now I just need to click on this approve now. So when you click on this approve now, as usual, you just need to wait for this to be done. So it will not show you any sign of done finishing. You just need to come to your wallet and see whether this transaction is done, or you can receive a notification from your Chewy that complete transaction complete or something like that. So now I will just wait for this to be done. So as you can see now, the network is very fast today, since I think it take around maybe 2 to 3 minutes to be done. So the network is very I don't even know why, but it actually very fast. So now that we have finally mint that NFT, that domain name, that tech class that stack, I think. So I think we just need to proceed with the here it is. Let me check something here before we proceed. So I think I'll just come to this place again. Let us go back to the Ghost dashboard. Wait for it to finish loading. So after everything finished loading, I will just click on this place and then click on start now, then click on OK. After clicking on OK, I will just click on validate now. So now that I click on validate, I'll just need to sign this transaction also. When I sign this transaction, then give it a time to be done. Give it time to be done now. Let me show. Just give it the time to be done, and then we continue. So now that the transaction is done, so we proceed with the next step. I'm very happy that the network is very sharp right now. So we are going to finish our tasks very early. So now just click on this next step, which is the avatar. So this task is just showing us to put one of our ID, one of to our Facebook account, I think it's so to our Twitter account. So you just need to open now. Click on open Starknet ID. When you open your Starknet ID, now that you open your Starknet ID, you just need to screenshot this. When you screenshot this, you just need to upload this as your profile. So as your Twitter profile. Let me go back to this. You just need to do that. So let us do that now. I will just enter my Twitter and then do this. So here in my account, I will just click on this and then click on this edit, then choose from existing photos. After that, I'll just need to click on this first one. When I click on this first one, I can just I can do this. Here is it is yeah, here's okay. I will just click on use. When I click on use, and everything is now okay. So as you can I can now go back to the website and then click on this avatar again, then click on OK here. After you click on OK, then click on validate. So now just go back to your Starknet ID and then approve this transaction, this upcoming transaction. So now I'll just click on approve now. When I click on approve, so as usual, we wait for it to be done. So here it is. So now as you can see, we are finally done with this, and immediately when you finish with this one will automatically fill itself, and then we don't need to do anything here. You just need to click on this the last one, which is this star. So we are at the last step now. So this one, main domain. So now just if you click on this star now, you just need to click on it, then click on start. So when you click on start now, so you just need to the tag is set. You just need to set your stack domain as a main domain on Starknet ID. So to do that, just you can open this one. Let us open this one and see. When you open it, so when you open it, you just need to click on the first one. So sorry, let me see something here. So when you finally open this one, you just need to click on this this place and then click on this launch app. So when you click on launch app, it will take you to a place where you need to click on the first one. So here we just need to click on this first one, which is our domain. So click on the first one, just the first one. So after you click on the first one, so you can now sorry, after you click on the first one, you can now come to this place, this gives, and then I will show you how to proceed with that. So now you just need to click on this validate. When you click on validate, then we wait for the transaction to be done. Here this. Oh, I don't know why the last transaction is not. So there is error. That means we haven't do something correct here. So let me go back again. Let me go back here. After I go back, then launch part. After this, I will select this one also again. When I select this one, sorry, I forget to show. I forget to tell you. Whenever you select this one, you just need to click on this star. So this star. So when you click on this star, it will show you to if you just click it, just go back to your wallet and then approve this transaction. I have mistakenly click on something. So whenever you click on that star, then approve the transaction, you just need to wait for it to finish loading, because clicking on that star, that's what will assign that will that's what will integrate that your domain name to your address. So that's the tax. So now you just need to wait for that to finish. Just need to wait for it to finish, and then we are good to go. Just need to wait for that to finish, then we are going to confirm it and then approve the last step. So I will just pause this video now, come back later. So as you can see, the only simple way to find whether your transaction is done is to check the last one that you have put. So after you check that, you can now just come back to this place and then click on that last one and then click on OK and then validate. So I mistakenly didn't record the place. So after you click on validate, it will show you to approve the transaction, just the way we do it for the first time. So after you see after it show you to verify the transaction, then you can now verify it. You can now approve the transaction. After you approve the transaction, then you can now wait for the last transaction to be done, and then we are done with the Odyssey. Then we can now go ahead with the role claiming, so that we can now get our Discord rule for the tax. Now that the final use is complete, you can now go back to the Starknet use, and you can see that we are finally done with all our tags. So everything will be green now. So you can see we are finally done with all the necessary tags now. So you can see them all. So congratulations for completing and having patience to complete this. So now the next thing is to click on this home now. Click on the home. Sorry, just going to, yeah, when you click on the home now, so you see a place, this place that they are get a rule. So now click on that get a rule. When you click on get a rule, they will show you to connect your wallet. So you just click on the connect, and then after you click on the connect wallet, check your wallet whether there is any upcoming transaction to connect the wallet with the website. So I think it's supposed to be done automatically, but yes, okay, let me check it again. So I haven't seen anything here. I think we just need to wait for it to finish. Yeah, so now as you can see, we are finally it finally show up. You see what they are writing here. I think something very important. Your configuration seem correct. You just have to click on the button below to get your rule. So now I'll just click on get the rule. When I click on get the rule, you see that success, you have been granted Odyssey OG rule NFT at NFT Army. So that means I have finally get the rule in my Discord. So you see it, then you can now click on OK. So you are good to go right now. You are good to go. You don't have any problem. So you can now so now we are in the Discord. So I'll just click on the I'll just click on this. I don't need to type any spam in this. So I'll just click on this GM and then type GM. I don't want to spam in the general group. So after I put GM now, so here's my account, as you can see. So I'll just click on here's my account. So I'll just click on this my avatar icon, and I click on it. You see that I finally secure my rule. Here's the Odyssey OG. So I finally secure my rule, which is the main purpose of doing the tax. So if you don't have the rule, that means what you do is not like you just do the half of the tax without the rule. I don't know whether you get the reward, maybe if they are doing any kind of reward or something like that. So guys, this will be the end of this video. I know this is very very long episode, but I hope this video will be helpful to you, and also you'll enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, share this video with families and friends, and don't forget to also on the notification for more video like this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace.